Hi, I'm Rashmi. So today we are making two kind of instant pickles, mango pickle. Okay, so I have two already here, and we cut it 1.5 in small pieces. Okay. Okay, so this is 1.5 mango in a bowl. Little bit salt because in the ready-made the pickle masala has already salt, so just little bit, not too much. Okay, and I have here 200 grams achar masala is ready. Okay, so I want to mix with this. Okay, and this is 1 cup oil, like normal vegetable oil. If you like to use the mustard seed oil, you can use that, or the peanut oil, I don't know, but I'm using vegetable oils. And I put a little bit saffron in the oil, and mix with this. See, so simple. You can not use right away, like 1 or 2 days. If you want to add more oil, you can add later on, but till now this is okay. And now I have one more quick pickle. For the second one, I'm using the the left one half mango and 1 small onion, and I want to grate it here. And then now I have the small onion. I have this now, onion and mango. Then I have here cumin seed, salt, and Kashmiri red chili for the color, nice, and sugar. Okay, so I'm mixing this sugar, cumin seed, salt, and this one. Okay, guys. Oh my God, so nice. This is instant pickle. This one you can eat right away with any curry, any rice, khichadi. Okay, so here is almost now. Oh my God, look at the color. Maybe later on it's going so nice. And then, yeah. See, guys, two kind of instant mango pickle. So you can try it. This is so good and easy to eat with moong, chana. Too good. See you next time, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.